Darko here for your weekly trade example for the week ending Friday the 6th of October 2023. Long time no see. I haven't been recording much for the past almost 2 months, or at least 5-6 weeks. The reason for it is because the market was quiet. I've been busy looking for trades and basically serving my paying clients. And just give you a summary, because I want to be upfront and honest with you. As you all know, we had the month of July was the best month in all-time high, 17 years, and we had a promo because most people want to join and we want to give back to the trading community, so we gave people a nice offer. And what do you think happens in month of August? Obviously, we all know that summer months are usually quiet, and usually June and July are good, but then the month of August was the same thing that is almost always every single year. So it ends up like a break-even, just slightly better than break-even. Let's just call it a break-even month. We had a couple of reduced winners and reduced losses, and it ended up break-even. And from the month of September, some of the trades that we took end up in losing trades. One of them is full loss that I will just show you in a minute. So the month of September ended as a losing month. Okay, and here's the problem. Let's just say that you have been struggling with your trading, and you have been buying different courses, and you see all these shiny objects online, and you buy these courses or these services, and they just turn out to be a joke, or just oh, this is just BS. This was just a complete waste of my money. And as you all know, I've been being a lead coach. This November, we are celebrating my 6 years anniversary as a lead coach for Coach's Corner long-term service. So, and I've been honest with you since day one. Okay. So the thing is that when you promote hey, we had the best month in 17 years, and then several people joins, could be 10, 20, 30 people joins, and then month of August, it's a break-even month. Month of September is a losing month, not by much, just a couple of losing trades, nothing major. Everything is recorded, so you can go back and watch. So it's not like a normal losing month, and this is the first losing month in I don't even recall that we had a losing month last year. So not a big of a deal. You can have 3 to 4 losing months a year and still be a stage 4 trader. So back to the story, it's when you join a service and you had bad experience, and you join the service and you have no idea who I am and what I'm trading and how I'm trading, and then we have a break-even month followed by a losing month. What do you think the vast majority of these struggling trader that has zero experience about how the market works, or at least not having any good experience of buying services, they will think that we are just the same as everyone else. Okay, that all the juicy trades that I'm posting for basically since the start of the year until August is just are these fake trades, or is it fake service? The answer is absolutely no. Everything is recorded and everything is shown in advance. The only problem is when the market is going quiet, there is nothing I can do about. Okay, it's not my fault, it's nobody else's fault, and there's nothing else to do. I could go through some of the charts. This is not the purpose of the video, showing you how the market is ranging. Okay, so basically I could go through some of the charts and show you what the market has been up to, but that's for another video. So the thing is that it's when the market is quiet, it's just there's nothing to do. What is the options? Taking trades just for the sake of it and end up losing 5, 6, 7% of your account just to have something to show, or is it better just to stay aside and wait for that right opportunity. And if it doesn't present itself, and yeah, you know, when I went back and went through my charts, maybe for the entire 2 months, I had maybe like 1 or 2 missed opportunities. Like, geez, we are all human beings. We miss trades, right? So that the trade we took that ended up losing is, like I told everyone in the PMA, this is a school example trade. Like, we are trading market structure. Okay, we identify trend. We look for the bigger picture on a yearly chart. Okay, and then for the monthly and weekly, we look for trend. Okay, price, you know, break structure in here. We go up and retest this structure. Okay, make another lower low, lower close, goes up, retests this structure again, makes another lower low, lower close. Like, what do you think we will be doing in here? Well, there is nothing else to do than short. Okay, and if you go down to your daily chart, you have a natural stop. That makes perfect sense. Okay, so this was the entry with the stop loss. Okay, some people might, like, you know, took something off in here. Nonetheless, this is a losing trade because price just went straight up. It's a different story. Like, if you go up and then retrace back and you establish, well, we have rules for that. Then we risk reduce, we take something off. Some of them might even exit at break even, and then this happens. Because markets usually 8 times out of 10 move in waves. Okay, so that means even though you might be wrong on a trade, price, it's very seldom we just reverse like this. Boom. We, like, on a lower time frame, we do that in a waving manner. Okay, and in this case, it didn't happen, and it generated for me as a full loss. A full loss for me is 0.5% on my account. So it's not like one trade makes me or break me. Okay, so for those who join and quit because the months were quiet, you know, rethink your mindset. I'm not asking anyone to rejoin or anything. I'm not trying to sell you anything. It's just like your mentality of, you know, expecting winning trades, winning months, winning performance every single week, month is, if you are having that mentality, you will be forever searching. Okay, I promise you. I was there and done that for a decade. Okay, so I'm not trying to be a wise guy on you or anything. I made all the mistakes that you are doing right now, and then some, even mistakes that you don't know about yet. So I'm not trying to be, you know, telling you something that you don't know. But what I'm trying to say is that this is trading. When you follow a trader that shows you everything, analyze the market live, in my case twice a week, and show you see me having winning streaks, losing streaks, quiet months, break even, you know, and that's the real face of trading. If you just gave yourself the opportunity, instead of chasing trades or waiting for that magic words pending order, going through the content for the entire month of August and September, and you just, you know, you drill the contents and you become, you know, just would go through the contents like several times, and you are ready to go when the market goes back to normal, which we seems to be going back to normal now in October. So therefore, like, instead of chasing the never-ending cycle, why not just go through the content, educate yourself, do the hard work, and then by the time market moves, you're ready to make some, you know, money, or at least try the system, the trading system that you just learned in a quiet, you know, in a more like maybe on a demo account or a micro account, and then you start your process rather than just like chasing, you know, too many rabbits, or chasing that holy grail that you never find. Okay, and actually we took a trade that was a pending order in the PMA in advance based on this significant neckline, and we have a weekly ACAT in here, and we have rules to enter. The 618 fib was the entry with the low stop loss, and this made just over 1-to-1. We took something else, so now this is a risk-free trade, and we actually have several pending orders in the market as well. that haven't been filled yet. Okay, so yeah, let me know what your thoughts. And like I said, I just grabbed the mic and being honest with you. Month of August, break-even month. Month of September, a losing month. Not much, less than 1% on my account. And month of October, I have no idea. We just started. It could be a good month. It could be another losing month. Actually, I never had 2 losing months in a row, so maybe this will be the first time ever. So yeah, I have no idea what's around the corner. I can only trade what the market is giving me. Okay, so hope that makes sense. Hope that makes you revalue your thinking process and the way you are dealing with your struggling and obstacles right now. And if you enjoy this video, make sure that you support the video and me as your coach or social media coach. Give me a thumbs up and type some comments, and I will surely do a video at some point to show you the ranging markets and why not to take trades. That's almost more important to know when not to trade than know when to trade. Okay, thank you so much for listening, and have a great weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Cheers.